Welcome to the Power Transformation channel. The power of transformation is in your mind. Today, we will delve into a profound and transformative topic: purpose. What is purpose, and why is it so crucial in our lives? We will explore these questions and discover how to find meaning and fulfillment in our personal and professional journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the button below and activate notifications so you won't miss any powerful content. Get ready for a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Let's go. Understanding purpose. To truly understand purpose, we need to go beyond the superficial definition. It is the essence of our existence, the reason that inspires us to rise every morning and face each challenge with courage. Purpose is like an internal compass, guiding us toward a path that gives meaning and significance to everything we do. The journey in search of purpose. The pursuit of purpose is an exciting and rewarding journey, but it can also be challenging. In our busy and distraction-filled society, it's easy to lose ourselves and drift away from what truly matters. However, it is essential that we dedicate ourselves to this search, as purpose is the foundation upon which we build a life of meaning and direction. Having clarity about our purpose is crucial for facing life's challenges with resilience and determination. When we know where we are going and what we are striving for, difficulties become temporary obstacles on our journey toward personal fulfillment and success. The importance of self-awareness. The first step to discovering our purpose is self-awareness. We must look within ourselves and question who we are, what we value, and what our passions are. By understanding our core beliefs and values, we establish a solid foundation for building our purpose. Practicing self-awareness is a valuable skill to identify our talents, abilities, and areas of interest. By honestly assessing our strengths and weaknesses, we can make choices that align with what truly matters to us. Purpose in personal and professional life. Purpose goes beyond our professional sphere, it permeates all areas of our lives. When we find our purpose, we can align our career choices, relationships, and even our hobbies with our true essence. This integration leads to a sense of congruence and fulfillment. Many people relentlessly seek happiness solely in their careers or external achievements, but it's essential to remember that purpose is also rooted in our relationships, our contribution to society, and our pursuit of overall happiness and well-being. Discovering your purpose. The discovery of purpose is a unique journey for each individual. There are no ready-made answers, but rather valuable clues and insights that we must follow to find what makes us feel complete and fulfilled. Uncovering your passions and interests. One of the first steps to discovering purpose is paying attention to our passions and interests. What makes us feel alive and enthusiastic? What activities involve us so deeply that we lose track of time? These passions can be significant indicators of our purpose. Take time to explore your hobbies, interests, and activities that bring you joy. By engaging in meaningful activities, you may discover your purpose by realizing how these activities align with your values and what truly inspires you. Identifying inherent talents and abilities. Each of us possesses unique talents and inherent abilities. By identifying what we are naturally good at, we can explore how these abilities can be used to positively impact the world around us. Recognizing your talents and abilities allows you to leverage them to achieve your goals and live with fulfillment. Your skills can become a bridge between what you love to do and how you can positively impact the lives of those around you. Learning from life experiences. Our life experiences are valuable sources of learning and self-discovery. By reflecting on our most significant moments, we can identify patterns and lessons that have shaped our journey up to the present moment. These experiences can provide important clues about our purpose. Challenging experiences in life can offer us a deeper understanding of ourselves and our motivations. By analyzing your experiences, you can identify which moments were most rewarding and how they are connected to your values and aspirations. Serving others and contributing to the world. Purpose often lies in serving others and making a positive contribution to the world. Ask yourself, how can my talents and abilities be used to make a difference in people's lives? How can I contribute to a better world through my purpose? Discovering how your passions and talents can positively impact others and society as a whole is one of the keys to finding a meaningful and lasting purpose. The act of helping others not only benefits the community but also provides a profound sense of personal fulfillment. Living with purpose. Finding purpose is just the beginning. The real challenge is living in alignment with it in all aspects of our lives. This conscious living of purpose will lead us to an extraordinary life full of meaning. Setting goals aligned with purpose. Once we have identified our purpose, it is essential to set goals aligned with it. These goals will be like stars that guide our path and keep us focused on our journey of personal growth and contribution to the world. When our goals align with our purpose, they become more meaningful and inspiring. Goals cease to be mere targets to be achieved and become opportunities to put our talents and values into action, leading us to a greater sense of fulfillment. Resilience in the face of challenges. On the path of purpose, we will encounter challenges and obstacles. Resilience is a fundamental quality to overcome difficulties and keep moving towards our mission. Resilience is the ability to adapt and bounce back after facing adversities. Throughout the purpose journey, it is natural to encounter obstacles that may demotivate us. However, it is essential to remember that challenges are opportunities to learn and grow, strengthening us to continue pursuing our goals. Cultivating a growth mindset. The path of purpose is a continuous journey of personal growth. Cultivating a growth mindset, being open to new experiences, and being willing to evolve constantly are crucial. Embracing continuous learning allows us to become more resilient and better equipped to handle uncertainties and achieve our goals. A growth mindset enables us to see challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than insurmountable obstacles. By constantly seeking to learn and evolve, we become more confident in our ability to navigate the ups and downs of life, allowing us to stay true to our purpose. Finding balance and harmony. Finding our purpose does not mean sacrificing other areas of our life. On the contrary, it's essential to seek a healthy balance between our purpose, work, relationships, and self-care. Living in harmony with our values and goals brings a sense of fulfillment in all aspects of life. Maintaining balance is crucial to prevent burnout and a sense of overwhelm. By setting healthy boundaries and taking time for activities that energize us, we can keep the flame of purpose alive and feel more fulfilled in our daily actions. Sharing purpose with the world. A truly powerful purpose goes beyond ourselves. It is a transformative force that can inspire and help others discover their own purposes. By sharing our stories and insights, we create a supportive network for mutual growth. Sharing our experiences and learnings is a powerful way to motivate and assist others on their journeys. By inspiring and supporting others in their quest for purpose, we become agents of change and create a positive impact that reaches far beyond our own lives. We've come to the end of our journey in search of purpose. We hope you have been touched by these powerful stories and the insights shared throughout this video. Remember that discovering purpose is a personal and unique journey, but we are never alone in this quest. Share your experiences and learnings in the comments below, so we can inspire and grow together as a community. Before we say goodbye, we invite you to ponder on some powerful questions to continue your journey towards purpose. What truly makes me happy and fulfilled? What activities, hobbies, or moments in my life bring me a sense of wholeness? What are my talents and natural abilities? How can I use them to positively impact my life and the lives of others? How can I find balance between my purpose, work, relationships, and self-care? What are the life experiences that taught me important lessons? How can I apply these lessons toward my purpose? In what ways can I contribute to a better world through my purpose? How can I serve others and make a difference? Finding purpose is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Don't be afraid to explore new paths and embrace uncertainty. As we open ourselves to new possibilities, we expand our perspectives and find new ways to live with meaning and excellence. We thank everyone who joined us on this journey in search of purpose. Always remember that the power of transformation lies within your mind. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the Power Transformation channel for more inspiring content on personal development, success, motivation, and much more. Wishing you all a journey filled with meaning and fulfillment. Until the next video, and remember, you have the power to transform your life.